Some of the essential things you need to learn about any program is how to save, open and create new documents. First of all, saving. When you've typed a particular document on the screen and you need to save it for reference, or maybe you need to come back to it another day, the first time you save, you can click on the little button at the top of the screen just here, which is in your quick access toolbar. And when you click on that, because you've never saved this before, it will bring up a box asking you two things: the name and where to save it. Now, depending on which version of Word you're using, you may have a slightly different dialog box. But if you look, it will have somewhere in the box the name and where you want to save it. Now, this is one style, so I could choose from here where I want to save the document on my desktop, and I want to call it Chapter 1. However, you may see other dialog boxes, and if I click on this More Save Options, it will bring up this view, and down in this column you can see I can choose where to save it. I can even save it to other locations such as this PC. When I click on that, it will then show me over here where do I want to save it, the name of it, and I can choose where I save it. Once again, we're given a browse so that if there's nothing here where I want to save it, I can click on Browse, and this will bring up the standard box that you may be familiar with if you're using an earlier version prior to 2016. You will see this type of box where the location is at the top, and you can choose where you save this. If you're not sure about the navigating a hard drive, then I suggest you look at our videos on the introduction to computers, which talk about the file and folder structure of all computers. You choose where you want it to go, what you want it called, and the type of document. Now, because we're saving a Word document, that's what it will default to. So in majority of cases, you won't need to change this. However, if you did want to save it as a different type, you can drop this down and it gives you lots of other options. But for now, a majority of the time, it'll be saved as a Word document. We can click on the Save button, and that is now saved. You can always tell the name of the document because it has it displayed in the title bar at the top of the screen. If I want to close this document, I can go to my File and choose Close from the list of options I've got. Here you can see in File I can create a new document, I can open a document, I can even save one. Down here I can close it. There you can see I've now closed that page. The document has gone. We're still in Microsoft Word. How do I create a brand new document that's got a blank page? We can go to File and come down to New and choose a blank document. Microsoft also give you a range of templates to help you begin a document. If we choose blank document, you'll see we start afresh with a new blank sheet of paper. If I want to open a document that I saved previously, then going to the File and down to Open, it will show me in the middle column a list of recent documents. If I can't find my recent document here, then I can go over here and I can search my entire computer, or I can click on Browse and then look for the document in here.